Foundation Recovery Systems was founded in 1992 by Jeff and Glenn Martin.
The company actually started in an old coal chute in Sedalia, Missouri.
Been a family-owned business. There's only 4 or 5 of us back then, and
now we are well over 120 employees.
FRS serves our customers in 6 different states from our 3 locations.
Moberly, which is our headquarters, office in Kansas City, and now an office in Springfield.
We are continuing to grow and expand.
We're no longer just one entity in the Midwest, now we're a national company.
Our vision at Foundation Recovery Systems is to build the nation's leading foundation service company.
So we are going to continue our expansion throughout the entire Midwest.
we're also focused on being the best we can be for our homeowners.
To help them protect their largest asset, which is their home.
FRS offers a wide range of geotechnical solutions for our customers.
We do foundation repair, basement waterproofing, concrete lifting and leveling, and crawl space encapsulation.
When somebody chooses to work with FRS, they truly become part of our family.
There's a lot of anxiety and fear that comes along with getting your foundation worked on your home.
We work with a lot of homeowners that feel that their home is in such disrepair that they have to walk away from it. They don't know what to do. We go in and make a difference and help those people.
We do whatever is best for our customer.
We're going to be the first ones to be all hands on deck to make sure that our customers are satisfied at the end of the day.
The culture at FRS is very family oriented.
And that family culture is really what makes me want to come into work every day.
And the opportunities that you have to better yourself, to advance your career are endless.
It's beyond just a job. This is a career.
And it doesn't matter what your last name is, where you came from. If you come in here with a great work ethic, you're going to be successful at this company.
You're going to become a better version of yourself and probably achieve more than you ever thought possible.
If you really want to help people and make a difference,
if you want to be a part of a team that's going to let you fulfill your true potential, FRS is the place to be.